Okay, this is object. All the distances measured from the pole. Okay, first point in sign convention, all the distances are measured from the pole. All the distances measured from the pole of the mirror. Okay, this point is pole. Okay, pole means a geometrical center of the mirror. All the distances measured from the pole of the mirror. Okay, this is okay, first point in sign convention. Next, second point is okay, this is okay, one light ray from object incident on the concave mirror. Okay, this is direction of the incident light. The distance is measured in the direction of incident light to be taken positive. This direction to be taken positive. The distance is measured opposite to incident light taken negative. In this direction, distance is positive. Opposite to incident light to be taken negative. The distance is measured in the direction of the incident light to be taken positive. Opposite to incident light to be taken negative. Okay, this is second point. In the direction of incident light, distance is measured in the direction of incident light. In the direction of incident light, okay, taken positive. Opposite to incident light to be taken negative. డిస్టెన్సెస్ మెజర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇన్సిడెంట్ లైట్ డైరెక్షన్లో పాజిటివ్గా తీసుకోవాలి. లైట్కి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్లో మెజర్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం వాటిని నెగిటివ్గా తీసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఇన్సిడెంట్ లైట్కి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ నెగిటివ్, లైట్ డైరెక్షన్ అయితేనేమో పాజిటివ్గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సెకండ్ పాయింట్కి మనం వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుందాం. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. According to first point, all the distances measured from the pole. This is object. We measure all the distances from the pole. Suppose this is object. We measure from pole to object. This is positive or negative? Object distance అనేది పాజిటివ్ అవుతుందా నెగిటివ్ అవుతుందా? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ మనం ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో వెళ్తున్నాం? This is direction of the incident light. Incident light డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్. మన రైట్ సైడ్ నుండి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి ఇన్సిడెంట్ లైట్ డైరెక్షన్ అనేది ఉంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంది? లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ ఉంది. ఆపోజిట్ ఇక్కడ యారో మార్క్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ లైట్ డైరెక్షన్. దిస్ యారో మార్క్ గివ్స్ ది డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ లైట్. దిస్ యారో మార్క్ గివ్స్ ది డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. దే ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్. ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ నెగిటివ్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ నెగిటివ్. నెక్స్ట్ సపోజ్ this is focus. This point is focus. Focal length. The distance between pole and focus is focal length. Okay. This value also negative. We measure focal length from pole to focus. All the distances measured from pole. According to first point, all the distances measured from the pole. బోర్డు క్లియర్గా కనిపిస్తుందా? ఇక్కడ మీకు కొంచెం లైటింగ్ పడుతుంది, పవర్ లేదు, ఇంట్లో కరెంట్ లేదు. ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తే డార్క్ వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. క్లియర్ ఉందా బోర్డు? According to first point, all the distances measured from the pole. Focal length. Focal length means the distance between pole and focus. We measure from pole to focus. This direction is opposite to incident light. This is direction of incident light. Focal length is focal length direction is opposite to incident light direction. ఇక్కడ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ అంటే మనం ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో తీసుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా ఏమవుతుంది? ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఈజ్ నెగిటివ్. నెక్స్ట్ రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. దిస్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. Radius of curvature, the distance between pole and center of curvature. This is radius of curvature. This is also negative. This is opposite to incident light. This is negative. Focal length is negative. Suppose image is formed between focus and center of curvature. Object beyond the center of curvature. In this case, image is formed between image is formed between focus and center of curvature. Okay, this distance also negative. Image distance we measure from pole to image. This is also negative. This is also negative. In the direction of incident light taken positive, opposite to incident light to be taken negative. So this is second point. Next, third point, heights measured upward to principal axis, upward to axis or principal axis positive. Heights measured upward to principal axis positive, okay, downward upward positive and downward negative. Heights measured upward to the principal axis, okay, positive, and downward to principal axis negative. Okay, heights కు సంబంధించి తీసుకుందాం. So this is object. Okay, height of object HO. HO means height of object. Okay, this is upward to principal axis. Okay, this is principal axis. Object is upward to the principal axis. Height of object is, okay, this is positive. Suppose image formed between focus and center of curvature. Okay, this is downward to, okay, HI. HI means height of image. This is downward to the principal axis. Okay, this is negative. Okay. Heights measured upward to principal axis, okay, to be taken positive, downward to the principal axis, okay, to be taken negative. Okay. These are the heights. Okay. These three are sign convention rules. Sign convention rules. Okay. First point is all the distances measured from the pole. Okay. Second point is in the direction of distances measured in the direction of incident light to be taken positive, opposite to incident light to be taken negative. Third point is heights measured upward to the principal axis to be taken positive and downward to principal axis to be taken negative. Okay, these three are the sign convention rules. Okay, these three are very very important. Okay, these 3 points, okay, useful in, okay, calculation of the problems. Okay, problems calculation దగ్గర మనకి ఇవి యూస్ఫుల్గా ఉంటాయి. ఈ సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ రూల్స్ని అప్లై చేసుకొని మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం కోసం మనం ఈ 3 సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ రూల్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. మనం మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ స్మాల్ ఎం, magnification small m. Okay, in case of concave mirror, okay, we get different images, different size of images and different characteristics of images. Okay, sometimes we get enlarged image and sometimes we get diminished image and sometimes we get size of image and size of object both are same. Okay. Object distance changes, image distance also changes and their sizes also changes. In this case we calculate only height. Size change అవుతుంది, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సైజ్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, సారీ ఇమేజ్ సైజ్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ చేంజ్ చేసే కొద్దీ మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, ఇమేజ్ సైజ్ కూడా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. మనం దీంట్లో కన్సిడర్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ హైట్, హైట్ ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్. సపోజ్ దిస్ ఈస్ కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ axis. Take an object, this is object beyond the C. This is focus, center of curvature. One light ray incident on the mirror. This is parallel beam of light incident on the mirror. After reflection, what happens? Passing through its focus. This is a reflected light ray. And another light ray which is incident at pole of the mirror, pole of the mirror. After reflection, its angle of reflection is equal to angle of incident. This is reflected light ray. Where these reflected light rays meets, at this point its image is formed. Okay, this is object, this is tip of the object. Okay, tip of the object is formed where the reflected light rays meets. Here, okay, this is image, inverted image. Okay, this is O dash is object and I I dash is image. I dash image, O dash object. In this diagram, okay, we have similar triangles. Similar triangles. One triangle forms with P I dash. P I dash is one triangle. So this is one triangle, and P O dash. P O dash another triangle. These two triangles are similar triangles. From this from the diagram, from the figure, two triangles are there. Triangle. Here two triangles are there. P I dash triangle P I dash and triangle P O dash. P O dash are similar triangles. Similar triangles. Okay, similar triangles నుంచి మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు, ఆల్రెడీ మిర్రర్ ఈక్వేషన్ డెరివేషన్లోనే చెప్పాను. ఓకే, రేషియో ఆఫ్ దేర్ ప్యారలల్ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. రేషియో ఆఫ్ ప్యారలల్ సైడ్స్, సపోజ్ PI okay, parallel to PI PO, okay, both are on the axis, principal axis. Okay, PI by PO, okay, that is equal, and two more sides I dash by O dash. I dash by O dash. PI by PO divide, okay, that is equal I dash divided by O dash. Okay, these two are parallel. Okay. In this, okay, PI is I dash is image. Okay, PI is distance of image. Okay. Okay, in this equation, okay, PI, okay, image distance. PI image distance. Image distance మనం ఏమని తీసుకుంటాం? Image distance is V. Image distance, okay, V, okay, that is according to sign convention minus V. Apply sign convention. Okay, PI is image distance, that is negative. Okay, negative ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? PI, okay, we measure from all the distances from the pole. Okay, pole to object, pole to image. Okay, this is direction of incident light. In this direction positive and opposite to incident light negative. అంటే ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో తీసుకునే ప్రతిదీ నెగిటివ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో తీసుకునే ప్రతిదీ మనకు నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది. PO is object. PO is object distance. Object distance is U, according to sign convention minus U. Okay, in this direction all the distances are negative. Okay, PO object distance, that is negative. Next to I dash. I dash is, okay, this is I dash. I is image. I dash is height of image. Height of image. The height of image HI. HI means height of image. Okay. Height of image is positive or negative? Height of image అనేది positive or negative? Height of image is, okay, height of image, this is negative. Very good. Okay, downward to axis negative minus HI. Next one is O dash. O dash is height of object. Okay, height of object to HO. HO is positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, very good. Positive. Okay. This is upward to principal axis, therefore this is positive. Okay. Okay, this is, okay, take this is equation 1. Okay, substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. Okay, equation 1 lo substitute చేయండి. PI means minus V by PO
By
minus U.
minus.
Okay, minus V by minus U is equal I dash. I dash is equal to minus HI divided by, okay, O dash H naught. Okay. Minus V by minus U is equal to minus HI by HO or H naught or HO. Okay, in this, okay, ఈ నెగిటివ్ సైడ్ని రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్ళండి. ఈ నెగిటివ్ సైడ్ని రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్. Okay, minus V by U is equal HI by HO. Okay, this is magnification. Okay, magnification M is equal minus V by U, that is equal HI by H naught, okay, or HO. Okay. Okay, magnification is the ratio between height of image to height of object. The ratio between height of image to height of object is called magnification, or the ratio between negative of image distance to object distance is called, దీన్ని నోట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.